Hello students, today our topic of discussion is Pythagoras theorem, which is useful for class 10 and class 9. So let's start. First of all, what the Pythagoras theorem is. So the Pythagorean says that in right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of other two sides. So first of all, we should know the terms hypotenuse and the other two sides. So first of all, I'll tell you that in a right triangle or a triangle with 90 degree, the side in front of 90 degree, this side here 90 degrees angle A. So the side in the front of angle A, which is BC, is known as hypotenuse. This is known as hypotenuse. And the AB is known as base. We can write B, hypotenuse as H. And the side AC, it is known as perpendicular. It is known as perpendicular. You can write it as P. So the Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, it is applicable only in right angle triangles. ये केवल राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स में ही एप्लीकेबल है. सो इसमें जो 90 डिग्री के सामने की साइड है उसे हम हाइपोटेन्यूज बोलते हैं. एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज इज द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड. हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या होता है? सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट साइड रहती है. लॉन्गेस्ट साइड, सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट साइड रहती है हाइपोटेन्यूज राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में. सो दैट इज मैथमेटिकली वी कैन राइट इट एज h square. H square means hypotenuse square is equals to p square perpendicular square plus base square b square. So this is our Pythagoras theorem. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the measurement of any third side if knowing the measure of the other two sides. Let us suppose if we are given AB as the base as 3 centimeter and the side AC which is perpendicular as 4 centimeter, and if we want to find the measurement of side BC, if we want to know the measurement of side BC, then we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, h square is equals to p square plus b square. Here hypotenuse is BC, so we can write it as BC square is equals to AC square plus AB square. AB is base, so AB square. We are given AC as 4 centimeter, so 4 square plus AB as 3 centimeter, so 3 square. We will get BC square is equals to 16. 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. It will sum to 25. BC square is equals to 25 and BC is equals to under root 25, which is equals to 5 centimeter. So this is the use of Pythagoras theorem. But remember, Pythagoras theorem is only applicable in right angle triangles. Pythagoras theorem केवल उन्हीं triangles में लगेगा जिनमें हमारे पास one angle is 90 degree. Now we have converse of the Pythagoras theorem. So let's see the converse of Pythagoras theorem. It says that if in a triangle square of one side is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle, means is a 90 degree. It is saying that if square of one side, if the first side is hypotenuse, is equals to the square of the other two sides, that is b square plus p square, then the angle opposite to the first side, the angle opposite to the hypotenuse is 90 degree or a right angle. This is the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. At last, let me tell you some of the famous Pythagoras triplets which are useful in competitive exams too. So let's see. First Pythagoras triplet is 3, 4, 5. Here gap between each number is 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. Which means that 5 is hypotenuse, because we know that hypotenuse is the longest side. Second Pythagorean triplet is 6, 8 and 10. Here the gap between each consecutive number is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 where 10 is hypotenuse. And you can check it also. 10 square is equals to 8 square plus 6 square, which is 100. Now 9, 12 and 15. Here the gap between each consecutive number is 3. And the last triplet is 12, 16, 20. Here also the longest side is 20, which is, we know that hypotenuse is the longest side. So in this triangle, hypotenuse will be 20, and you can also check, you can also verify it as 20 square, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So the square of 20 is 400, the square of 16 is 256, and plus the square of 12 is 144. So adding 256 and 144 we get 400, and here also on left hand side we were having 400. So we have verified it. Here 20 will be hypotenuse, here 15 will be hypotenuse, here 10 will be hypotenuse, and here 5 will be the hypotenuse. So this was all about the Pythagoras theorem. Thanks for watching.